Hey guys, so I'm back with another mukbang. Today I am eating I don't even really know what to call this, but I really wanted some sriracha. So like sriracha is the main character here tonight. But I used to eat this all the time with one of my best friends and her husband. Whenever I'd come over to her house and like we just have like a night where we would just be drinking and like watching shows, her husband will like cook something for us, and he didn't really know how to cook that much, but whenever he did cook, what he did know how to cook that was really good that I've never had is some jasmine rice, so white jasmine rice, sauteed broccoli, and some I feel like every time I talk to you guys I cannot think of what I'm trying to say, and some chicken. The chicken I have is tenderloins, but I cut them up, sauteed them, like seasoned them, and then like sauteed them with some onions. And then the broccoli, I don't know about anyone else, like most people they'll put their broccoli in like some hot water over the stove, but like I like to like put my broccoli in the oven. I'll like clean it, cut it up and everything, like and then I will season it really well, cut up some or dice up some like onions, and like put it in a bowl and mix it all around with the seasonings, and then I'll like put it in a cast iron pan with like butter and like a little bit of like either vegetable what am I trying to say? Vegetable broth or like chicken broth, just like a little bit. And then, yeah, I just let it do it with some butter, and I'll put like butter on top and let it do its thing. So anyways, I'm just gonna eat. I have some Pepsi here. I'm really hoping that, because I dropped this when I took it out the fridge. I hope it doesn't like, we're good. So some Pepsi here. I don't know how this is gonna go with me eating sriracha, because like my mouth started salivating because like I can smell it, and I'm like, I love sriracha. But I'm going to like, okay, I don't know how the Pepsi is gonna like, maybe I should just drink some right now. Wet my whistle. I still don't know how it's gonna taste after I have something spicy on my taste buds, but anyways, I'm excited. Ooh, this may not like look like something that you would eat, but seriously, don't knock it till you try it, because like when I first saw it, I was like, my friend was like, Rachel, you're gonna love it, and I'm like, okay, whatever. And then I ate it and I was just like, why have I never thought to put like this combination together? Yummy. Also, my daughter's, oh my God. This show is so loud behind me. My daughter's watching the show. So let me explain to you why you hear my daughter's like shows, the reason why you've been hearing her shows a lot lately. So normally my daughter has her tablet, really nice tablet. I think she got it for her second birthday, and it was like a little over $300. Yeah, it was a little over $300. It was really nice tablet. Like the tablets where you can go in between, you can toggle in between the kid side and the parent side, or the grown-up side, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so when we first got it for her, she had it for like a year. I'm back. I'm gonna add just like a little bit more sriracha over here. But yeah, when she first got it, she was like 2 years old for her second birthday. Right? I believe it was her second birthday that she got it. She had it for like a good 6 months. And then she stepped on it. She was like, she had it on the ground. So I had it in like this pink case, so she didn't like break it. The irony. She got it in this pink case. So like, if she threw it, if she dropped it, it would be good. But she decided she wanted to, she was watching something, and it was like getting her hype. And this is her like jumping on it and going to town. So yeah, this is her like going to town on the tablet. Cracks it in like, I feel like, a million pieces. So luckily got the warranty. I think I got she got a 3-year warranty. So call up Amazon, or don't call them, like message Amazon, let them know she cracked their screen. So they messaged back. They're like, okay, we see you have the 3-year warranty. You can, we'll send you another one. And then once you receive it, just send the broken one back. So we do that. She turns 3. She's like, this is just recently, so she's only been 3 for what? 5 months. She's watching a show right now. Like the screaming you guys hear, just so you know, it's a show. She's watching what's called like Larva Island. I don't know why she's obsessed with it. It's on Netflix. It's called Larva Island, and it's a weird show, but it's not like too weird to where I like would take it away from her like watching it. But those things scream a lot. Anyways, so she's had it for, she had the new one for like, I believe almost a year. My daughter's just gonna keep on trying to come out. Anyways, what was I saying? I'm so sorry, guys. Let me say this. If that's like a big bother to anyone, and I'm not gonna feel like any type of way if you like say yes, because you come on my channel to watch me eat and stuff. But if that's a bother, like, please let me know, and then like I will figure something out, for sure. But if it's not, then I will keep doing what I'm doing. But anyways, what was I saying? This is spicy. But ooh. So it's been, I think, about a year, almost a year, since she's had the second tablet that Amazon sent because of her warranty. Also, the tablet that she got for her second birthday got upgraded because it like no longer exists, I guess. Like they don't offer it anymore, so she had an upgrade. Her second one. So she just recently, okay, so I'll take the blame for the third incident. She was in the tub, and this is why I didn't want to take the blame in the beginning. This is why I didn't take the blame in the beginning. Because whenever my daughter takes a bath, I always put her tablet on the toilet, which is like a good distance from her. And excuse me. And it's it has its like, she has her protection over it. Not that great of protection. Anyways, so I put it down on the toilet as she's taking a bath to watch a show. So she can have something to watch while she soaks in the bath. I, as a parent, like to let my child soak in the bath just for like 5-10 minutes. Nothing too crazy. Especially if she's like gone outside to play, or she's gone over to someone's house, or she's been like around other people's animals. So I allow her to like soak. And then also, she's a girl. Females should soak in the bathroom. If you know, you know. They should soak in the tub. If you know, you know. But so yeah, I just allow her to get like her good. And then like she always brings like toys in there with her, so she likes her little alone time too. Like same as the shower. I'll put her in the shower, let her do her thing before I come in and wash her. And I'll always like check in on her like every 2 to 5 minutes. I'll be like, yo, you good? You all done? She'll be like, no. I'll be like, okay. Tell me when you're ready. And she'll like let me know. Like if she feel like she's done, she'll be like, mommy, all done. So anyways, I be going on tangents. Let me get back to the original story. So she was in the tub, and put her tablet on the toilet, good distance between her and the tub. Like a really good distance. Leave. Like I normally do. Like I said, this isn't the first time that I put her on the toilet. Or put her tablet on the toilet while she was in the tub to watch a movie. So she's not just in there like... What was I saying? So she's not in the bathroom bored. I don't know about anyone else. I feel like obviously I'm not the only one who does this, but excuse me, when I'm in the tub, I relax. But sometimes like I'll just have like a movie on. Like I'll put my phone off to the side on a stand or something. I'll like watch something. But anyways, like do that. So I did that and I walked off. Gave her some time. I gave her a little bit too much time. I come back. And so the tablet holder that I had, that she has, it like has like a little kickstand so you can like pull it out from the back. So I come back and it's tablet's flat. So the kickstand is like no longer up. And then there's just water everywhere. Right next to the tub and all on the toilet seat and on top of the tablet. Tablet's still playing and I'm like, okay, you know, this is still a good case for the tablet. So I'm like, maybe no water got inside. But what I think happened is my daughter took her tablet for a swim, like a dive. That's what I think happened. I think she let her tablet go for a nice little swim. My daughter loves the water just as much as I do. Like, she gets taken swimming like as much as possible in the summertime, and I'll end up finding like recreational centers that have like pools, just so we can get in like a big pool. But she loves the water. Like, she likes to get in the shower. She's always like, mommy, shower. Like, she likes to get in the shower. She likes to get in a bath. She just likes water. Like, even if I give her like her sippy cup, she's like, and I get in her butt about this all the time, but she like likes to play in water so much. Like, she'll pour it out into things. Like, she just likes water so much. I can't fault her for that because I love water too. I always say, like, I was either a mermaid in my past life or when I die, I'm going to be a mermaid. So, I get it. I think she's literally just got that from me. But yeah, I think she took her tablet for a nice little dive. I think she thought her tablet was parched or something. I don't know. I don't know. I can laugh about it now only because... I can laugh about it now because there's another one on its way. Amazon was like, look, this is your last one. Like, you just reached a year and you're asking for another one. They were like, if we can't fix it, then we'll send you another one. But they're sending us another one. But yeah, it wasn't funny then. Like when it happened, it was a little funny, but it wasn't that funny. But yeah, tried everything because it was still playing. It was still playing when I realized that it was soaking wet. So I took it out the case, dried it off. It was still playing, and I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna just turn it off because everything else was like had the case covering and everything, but like the part where like the headphones stick into where the adapter for it to be charged, the charging port sticks into, that's all open, obviously. And so I was like, please, Lord, do not say that's where she got the water into. Like, the water can be anywhere else on this tablet. Please don't say that that's where the water got into. So I turned it off. And let it air dry. I think I let a good 24. I know for sure it was over 24 hours because I was going to leave it for 3 days. But I think it was only 48 hours that have passed. And that's because my daughter kept asking for her tablet. So I went to go get the tablet, try to turn it on. Nothing. I was like, okay, maybe it's just dead, you know. So I went to go plug it up. Let it sit there on the charger for like 30 minutes. Nothing. I'm just like, dang. And my daughter just started learning what like dead means when it comes to like phones, like tablets, computers. So not dead, but died is the word she uses. So I just have to sit there and tell her like it died. Like when when the phone dies or the tablet dies, she was like, Mom, it died. Like she like emphasized on the like the DI part. She'd be like, it died. And I'd be like, yes, it did. She'd be like, it died. And I'd be like, get the charger. I'd be like, get the charger. But I told her, I said, it died. And so she tried to go get the charger. And sorry guys. And I told her, I was like, that's not gonna work. So I had to explain to her it's broken. And I explained to her what broken meant. Now I'm spilling. But yeah, her tablet's on the way. So we're all gonna be parents in this situation, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated when the tablet gets here because I am excited. I'm always getting packages sent to me and stuff, and I get excited about it, especially when I forget that I ordered me something and I get it in the mail, and then I feel like it's Christmas all over again. But this package, this specific package, I am super excited about because my daughter has been asking for my phone a lot. She's like, movie. That's what she calls it. She like understands that it's a phone because I'll be like, Faith, go get my phone. She'll go get it. But she understands it as something that can supply movies and shows. Netflix, Hulu, Prime, like Amazon or Prime Video, HBO Max. She understands it as this shows movies, shows videos, so she calls it movies. Granted, she understands that it's a phone. So we are gonna wait together as parents, and we're gonna count down. Got the email, I think 2 days ago, or was it today? No, I think it was 2 days. No, it was 2 days ago. Didn't give an estimate, just said it was shipped. So next video, if I don't get the tablet by then, I'm gonna give you guys an estimate, and we're gonna do the countdown together because I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I cannot wait for this thing to come in. I cannot wait for this tablet to come in. Oh my goodness. And then this is the last one that I can get on warranty. Hi.
Hello. Oh, oh.
You getting your toys?
Yeah.
Get your toys and go back in the room, please.
Okay.
Love you. Got a kiss?
Mm.
Give me a kiss. Say hi.
Hey. Hello.
Okay. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. I love her so much. Wow, why can't I believe it? It's miles over. Yes? Faith,
Hello.
go back in the room.
No. No, 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 no.
Okay. Say hi.
Hello.
This is my daughter, Faith. She really wants to be in the camera clearly right now.
Hungry?
This is spicy. You can't have any. You hungry?
Yeah.
I'll get you some that's not
Oh.
spicy. Say hi to everyone. Look at the camera.
Hello.
I say hello.
Hello.
Give them a wave.
Whoa.
Yes.
See.
You see? Say hi.
Hey.
You want to tell them bye-bye?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, guys. So I'm going to end it right here. I'm really sorry. She keeps coming out, but I don't want to, you want to get down? I'm sleepy anyway, so I'm gonna end it right here, and this is really spicy. But I really appreciate you guys for commenting, subscribing, liking, doing everything that you guys do. I'm sorry that she was in the video. I hope it is not like a bother to anyone. If it is, then just let me know. But if not, this isn't really gonna happen that much. Like, it's because of its you know, daylight savings time. So like, she's starting to get back to, or she's trying to get used to the new, like, it's a whole hour behind. So she's just trying to get used to the time difference. So she feels like she's been asleep a lot longer than she really feels like. So I'm gonna just end it here. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Excuse me. Did you hear that? She just burped. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Alright. Alright. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, as always, peace. Faith, say peace. Peace. She just burped again. Peace. Bye, guys.